Hello friends, today I will discuss about SOTF and TOR trip for transmission line protection. Consider two substations, substation A and substation B, both having source of power as shown in this diagram. For there exists one double circuit line in between substation A and substation B. Zone 1 and Zone 2 coverage for from substation A has been shown via green line. Consider a fault occur in line AB at point F, which is in Zone 2 of from substation A. If there is no carrier rated protection trip, then what will happen? Substation A will clear the fault in Zone 2 time, but substation B clear the fault in Zone 1 time, that is instantaneously. If carrier rated protection trip is present, what will happen? Substation at B and breaker trip at Zone 1 time, and relay at substation B, carrier will be sent from relay at substation B. At the substation A and Zone 2 relay at substation A, and there will be Zone 2 pickup and carrier receive. Therefore, trip instantaneously, that is carrier rated trip. Both the breaker at substation A and substation B clear the fault instantaneously. After the CB tripped at both ends substation, now from the substation A, CB is closed, but in the substation B, CB is yet to be closed, but fault is still persisting. Then what will happen? The breaker at A end will trip in Zone 2 time. There will be no carrier received from Zone A from relay at substation A, since the breaker of substation B yet to be closed. Therefore, it will be a delayed tripping from substation A. Therefore, SOTF trip is given for instant tripping of the faulty line on condition that we close the CB manually. SOTF, the full form of SOTF is switch on to fault. That is, whenever a faulty line is charged, to quick clearance of the fault line, it is instantaneous tripping is given from the relay, whether it is in Zone 2 pickup or Zone 4 pickup. It is active or enable for two conditions. One is manual closure of the CB, that is, line is tripped. After tripped, we give a closing pulse manually. Number 2, that is the dead pole detection, that is, a faulty line is tripped. After the trip of the faulty line, there is no voltage in the relay. It is applicable only for line CVT, not will be applicable for bus CVT. For bus CVT, there will be voltage always present from when the voltage is taken from bus CVT. Now, what is TOR? TOR means trip on reclose. Let's take the same example, same drawing, but here the single pole tripping is allowed and auto reclose feature is given from the distance relay. That is, fault occur at point A, which is remain in Zone 2 at relay at substation A. What will happen? Substation relay at substation B will see Zone 1 time, clear the fault. Let's say the fault occur in R phase. It will trip the R phase pole in Zone 1 time. At the same time, carrier will be sent from the relay at substation B end. Simultaneously, at relay at A end, there will be Zone 2 pickup and carrier will be received at substation A end. Then, therefore, there will be carrier rated trip, that is instantaneous trip from substation A end. Breaker of R phase breaker will be trip instantaneously. Now both the R phase breaker trip instantaneously from both the substation end. Now after a dead time of 1 second for both the CB at both substation end, now CB closing time is not same for both the breaker at substation A and substation B, as CB closing time vary from the CB manufacturing time. Also, if the dead time is not the same for both the relay at substation A and substation B, then what will happen? The for example, say the breaker pole at R phase breaker pole close fast in B end substation, but A end substation the breaker is yet to be closed fully. Now fault is still persisting, therefore there will be zone 1 pickup and carrier sent from relay at B end, but breaker at substation A is yet to be closed, but distance relay at substation A carrier will be received. But since the breaker is yet to be closed, there will be no tripping from substation A end, but substation B end trip. The A end substation trip the breaker after closing complete closing of the circuit breaker at zone 2 time. Therefore there will be unwanted delay of tripping of the circuit breaker. That is why trip on reclose or TOR trip is given in distance relay features whenever a faulty line is closed on auto reclose. That is, TOR is applicable for auto reclose on faulty line. Therefore, in order to avoid unwanted delay in tripping, TOR, that is trip on reclose feature, is given in distance relay. Switch on to fault is for manual recloser of the circuit breaker, and TOR is for auto reclose of the circuit breaker. That is the difference between SOTF and TOR. Friends, if you like my videos, then do subscribe my channel and go to my channel, and also press the bell button for notification of videos to be uploaded in future. Thank you very much.